So far, at least 70 people are confirmed dead, 59 of them in Kerr County, which was hit hard when the Guadalupe River rose to its second highest level ever recorded. Rescuers continue to search for those still unaccounted for, including 10 campers and 1 counselor from Camp Mystic. Here's ABC's Jim Ryan with the latest.
As the search continues for those still missing in catastrophic flooding across parts of Texas, the Federal Emergency Management Agency has been activated following President Trump's major disaster declaration. The administration also has deployed the U.S. Coast Guard to assist state and local officials.
My instruction to every state agency involved in this is to assume everybody who is missing is alive. And there's a need for speed because they're looking to save every last life, and we will not give up that effort.
In Kerr County, flash floods have wiped out entire communities.
Disaster. Disaster. It was horrible. I've been through a lot, but I haven't seen anything like that in my life. It's pretty bad. Just demolished.
Campgrounds along the Guadalupe River were hard hit by flooding. Officials say several girls are still missing from Camp Mystic. They've also confirmed that the director of Heart of Hills Camp, Jane Ragsdale, is among those killed. Juliet and her husband were swept away by the floodwaters as they tried to evacuate. They held on to branches as they called 911 for help.
What's been the hardest for you?
When you're calling for help and there's nobody. Where are they?
Rescue crews eventually pulled them to safety, but she says they didn't get adequate warning about the potential threat. City officials are sidestepping questions about the alerts.
Despite TEM's warning on July 2nd and July 3rd that something like this could have happened, that the threat existed, why that information didn't get down to camps and why they weren't evacuated. Can you answer that now?
That is a great question, but again, we want to make sure that we continue to focus. We still have 11 missing children that we want to get reunited with our families.
Pressed further on the issue, officials ended the press conference. So far, ABC News has found nothing to indicate there were any staffing or other National Weather Service-related concerns connected to the flooding. Jim Ryan, ABC News, Kerrville, Texas.